If your credit score is sitting around 500, banks see you as a risk, and you're paying for it every single day. Higher interest rates, loan denials, even rejected rental applications. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Going from a 500 to an 800 credit score is not some 10-year journey. With the right moves, you can see major jumps in as little as 3 to 6 months. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what to do, step by step. Let's get into it. Before you fix anything, you need to know what's hurting your score. Head to annualcreditreport.com. That's the only government-authorized free report site, and pull your report from all 3 bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Look for errors, late payments, and collections. You'd be surprised. Studies show that about 1 in 5 Americans has an error on their credit report. One incorrect account could be dragging your score down by 50 to 100 points. Dispute any errors directly with the Bureau online. By law, they have 30 days to investigate and fix it. That alone can give you an instant score boost. Your credit utilization, meaning how much of your available credit you're using, makes up 30% of your FICO score. That's huge, and most people with a 500 score are using 70, 80, even 90% of their credit limit. The golden rule, keep utilization below 30%, ideally below 10% if you're gunning for 800. Here's a fast hack. Call your credit card company and ask for a credit limit increase. If they approve it without a hard pull, your utilization drops overnight without paying a single extra dollar. Or, if you have cash available, pay down balances before your statement closing date, not the due date. That's when the balance gets reported to the bureaus. Paying early means a lower reported balance, which means a higher score. Payment history is the single biggest factor in your credit score. It makes up 35%. One missed payment can drop your score by 60 to 100 points. If your credit history is thin or damaged, you need to add positive accounts fast. Here are 3 ways to do it. 1. Secured credit card. You put down a deposit, usually $200 to $500, and it becomes your credit limit. Use it for small purchases and pay it off in full every month. Discover and Capital One both have solid secured cards with no annual fee. 2. Credit Builder Loan. Offered by credit unions and apps like Self. You make monthly payments and the money goes into a savings account. At the end, you get the money and a positive payment history on your report. 3. Become an authorized user. Ask a family member or close friend with great credit to add you to their card. You don't even need to use the card. Their good history gets added to your report. This can boost your score by 30 to 50 points almost immediately. Every time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry hits your report and your score dips slightly. Stop applying for new cards or loans you don't need right now. Also, don't close old credit cards, even ones you don't use. Closing a card reduces your total available credit, which spikes your utilization ratio. It also shortens your average account age, which can hurt you. Just let old cards sit open. The goal right now is to look like the least risky borrower possible. Keep things stable, keep utilization low, keep payments on time. Here's the reality. There's no magic overnight fix. Anyone selling you a credit repair service for $300 is lying. Everything they do, you can do yourself for free. But if you follow these steps consistently, dispute errors, crush utilization, never miss a payment, add positive history, people have gone from a 500 to a 700 in 6 months. An 800 score is absolutely achievable within 12 to 18 months. If this helped you, drop a comment below telling me your current credit score. I want to hear where you're starting. And hit subscribe because I drop a new personal finance video every week that could change your financial life. I'll see you in the next one.